Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. We're so happy you're here with us today because this episode is going to be relaxing, useful, and very special. Today, we're doing something many learners love, learning English while sleeping. If you want to improve your listening skills in a calm and easy way, this lesson is perfect for you. Hey guys.
Yes, today's topic is designed to help you learn naturally. Sometimes the best way to improve is not by forcing yourself to study hard, but by listening regularly and allowing English to become familiar in your mind. That's why tonight's topic is Learn English While Sleeping, 100 Easy Sentences for Deep Listening Practice.
Exactly. This kind of practice is wonderful because it reduces stress. You don't need to memorize anything right now. You don't need to worry about mistakes. You only need to relax, listen, and let the language flow into your mind naturally. So whether you're lying in bed, resting on the sofa, or preparing to sleep soon, take a deep breath, get comfortable, and enjoy this peaceful English listening session with us. Let's begin with simple evening sentences. Imagine the day is ending and you are finally ready to rest. You can say, "I'm feeling tired after a long day, and now I'm ready to relax." Or, "Today was busy, but I did my best, and now I can rest peacefully." Another useful sentence is, "I'm grateful for everything that happened today." And, "Tomorrow is a new day with new opportunities." Now, let's continue with easy daily sentences. Listen slowly and clearly. I am learning English a little more every day. Every small step helps me improve. I do not need to be perfect to make progress. Practice becomes easier when I stay relaxed. I can improve by listening regularly. My mind becomes stronger each time I practice. Learning can be peaceful and enjoyable. I am becoming more comfortable with English sounds. Let's move into common daily life sentences. These are natural phrases you may hear often. I need a little more time. Everything is going to be okay. I understand more than I did before. I am getting better step by step. Today was productive in many ways. I handled the day as best as I could. It is okay to rest when I need rest. Balance is important in life. Now, let's imagine a peaceful conversation at the end of the day. "Hey Emma, how are you feeling tonight?" "I'm feeling calm and a little sleepy. It has been a long day, but I'm happy to be resting now." "That sounds nice. Did you have a busy day?" "Yes, it was busy, but I managed everything step by step. Now I'm ready to relax and let go of the stress." That's a healthy way to think. Sometimes the best thing we can do is rest and start fresh tomorrow. I agree. Rest helps the body and peace helps the mind. Absolutely. Are you feeling better now? Yes, much better. Quiet moments like this help me feel balanced again. I'm glad to hear that. Everyone needs calm moments in life. They really do. Life becomes easier when we slow down sometimes. Let's continue with more listening practice. I release the stress of today. I welcome peace into this moment. My breathing becomes slow and steady. My mind becomes quiet and relaxed. I am safe, calm, and comfortable. I deserve rest after my hard work. Tomorrow can wait until morning. Tonight is for rest and recovery. Now let's include simple, confident sentences for English learners. I am learning even when progress feels slow. I trust the learning process. My listening improves with repetition. English becomes more familiar every day. I can understand more each week. I enjoy becoming better little by little. There is no rush. Growth takes time. Consistency is stronger than speed. Let's hear another relaxing conversation. "Jack, what do you like most about evenings?" "I like the quiet feeling at the end of the day. Everything slows down and I can think clearly again." That's true. Evenings can feel very comforting after a busy schedule. Yes, and it's a perfect time to listen to English in a relaxed way. There is no pressure, only calm practice. I think that helps many learners because stress often blocks progress. Exactly. When people relax, they often understand more than they expect. That's such a good reminder. Sometimes learning becomes easier when we stop forcing it. Absolutely. A calm mind can learn beautifully. Let's continue with more slow listening phrases. I am proud of myself for continuing. Every lesson adds something valuable. I am building strong habits. My future self will thank me. Good things grow with patience. I choose progress over perfection. I keep going, one day at a time. I believe in my ability to improve. Now imagine you are preparing to sleep. The room is quiet, your body feels heavy and relaxed. Your breathing is slow and peaceful. This is a perfect moment to listen and absorb language naturally. There is nothing else you need to do right now. No pressure, no stress. Just rest, listen, and allow yourself to improve gently. Let's finish with final peaceful sentences. I let go of today. I welcome tomorrow with peace. My body relaxes deeply. My mind feels light and calm. I am thankful for this moment. I am ready for restful sleep. Everything can wait until morning. Right now, I choose rest. We hope this lesson helped you relax while practicing English in a natural and peaceful way. Remember, improvement does not always need to feel difficult. Sometimes the most powerful progress happens quietly, through gentle repetition and calm listening. If you enjoyed this sleep learning session, come back often and make it part of your nightly routine. Keep listening, keep growing, and trust your progress even when it feels slow. That's it for tonight's episode. Sleep well, rest deeply, and take care of yourself. Good night, everyone, and we'll see you in the next lesson.